And away they go. Hail Freedom broke smartly from the inside gate. Tio Magico's out comfortably as well. Affable, Impossible Task hooked a little wide into the turn. American Admiral, meanwhile, drops down onto the rail. Bold Endeavour is now 4 lengths off these leaders. And at the back, we have Wicked Trek. They head past the 3/4 pole, and Hail Freedom makes his own pace, leads at 3/4 of a length to Tio Magico. Just in behind them comes Affable, and then it's American Admiral in the 4th spot, Impossible Task the grey. Then back to Bold Endeavour, and last of all, Wicked Trick, a good 12 off them. They head to the half-mile pole, and Hail Freedom's ensured a decent pace throughout. He leads by a length. Tio Magico is right there in second. In behind those comes Affable. American Admiral getting closer at the rail now. American Admiral going all the way up to second. Then we come back to Impossible Task. Bold Endeavour's now 6 off the leaders. 5 more to Wicked Trek. Coming to the 1/4 pole, and Hail Freedom kicks for home now. Hail Freedom by 2. Affable coming after him. American Admiral in with a shot down at the rail. In behind that comes Impossible Task and Bold Endeavour. Heads are turned for home, and Hail Freedom goes on. Hail Freedom leading by 2 lengths. Being chased by American Admiral in the blue colours on the outside. Affable and then Bold Endeavour. Hail Freedom holds on with 1/8 of a mile to go and finds more on the lead. American Admiral giving game chase in second, but it's Hail Freedom still in front as they run down to the wire. And Hail Freedom and Mike Smith win at a half a length. American Admiral second. Bold Endeavour finished third. The unofficial result, winner number 1, Hail Freedom. Second, number 3, American Admiral. Third, number 7, Bold Endeavour. Photo finish for 4th. The 4th place finisher was number 6, Impossible Task. Result is official. In the third race, scratch all the also eligibles 11, 12, 13, and 14. Now in the winner's circle, number 1, Hail Freedom. He's a 4-year-old bay colt by box score out of Susan B. Good. He's owned by Ed Delaney and was bred in California by Ed Delaney. Winning trainer is Doug O'Neill, whose assistant is Leandro Mora, and the winning rider, Mike Smith.